Damage to the wood members of your home is inevitable. Beyond simple wear and tear, there are some forces that actively affect the wood in your home and eventually causes damage that should either be repaired or altogether replaced. Knowing how to identify what types of damage you may be dealing with will help you make smart decisions as to the type of maintenance service you may need in order to restore and maintain structural integrity of your home. Number 1, termite damage. It is estimated that termites cause $5 billion of damage each year in the US alone. Identifying and repairing termite damage in its early stages saves thousands down the road. In Southern California, you're likely to experience damage caused by either drywood or subterranean termites. When looking for signs of damage caused by drywood or subterranean termites, look for 2 types of abnormalities in the wood. The first is evidence of termite tunneling in the wood. Termite tunnels can look like smooth and sanded down tunnels in wood, like in this image. Or it can look like chunks of wood that are randomly missing from what would be a fully solid wood member, like this image. Number 2, fungus rot damage. Moisture in the environment or water that is directly introduced to the wood can lead to fungus, commonly known as wood rot. Fungus rot metabolizes infected wood members, causing wood damage. In its early stages, it looks like the wood member is collapsing into itself, almost like it's being sucked from within, causing paint to crack and chip, like in these images. More advanced wood rot causes wood to look broken and splintered, such as in this picture. The best way to spot wood rot is to look for abnormalities in paint. Painted wood members can experience severe wood rot damage because until something causes the paint to break apart, damage can grow unnoticed, like in these images. Spotting termite damage or wood rot damage can be tricky though. In many cases, once damage is noticeable to an untrained person, it is excessive. Give it a try. What kind of damage is this? The answer is none. There is no damage to the wood itself. This is just ugly and old paint chipping. Want to try again? What kind of damage do you spot in this wood fence? Think you got it? Watch the video and see if you got the right answer. If you correctly guessed termite damage, chances are it was a lucky guess, and you would not have thought to look for termite damage in this fence, just like the homeowners had no idea they had extensive termite damage in the fence. It is good to be aware of potential damage in your home. However, smart homeowners have their homes inspected by a trained and licensed expert once a year. Doing once-a-year checkups on your home will save you thousands in surprise costs due to termite or fungus rot damage at home. Contact us for a free consultation at 1-844-GOT-ANTS or schedule an inspection at www.termitepro.us.